Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a clean with me and a clean my car. I don't know if I posted a my car with me for 2018, but I believe I did one for 2017. I'm technically filming this in 2018, but you probably won't see this till 2019. So anywho, I've been putting this off and it's time. Like it needs to be clean. So I'm going to do like a before and after and during and all that fun stuff. And yeah, hopefully this motivates you. It's also like 2 days before Christmas in Canada, so it is cold out. It's not too bad, but it's cold. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. My husband's inside watching the baby, and it is currently, let's see, what time is it? Can I not figure out? Oh, there we go. It's 1:41, and I want to be back in the house by 2 o'clock. So I have less than 20 minutes to do this, so let's see if I can get it done. And yeah, is the current situation. Some stains. We've got the base, and I don't know how, but there's like dirt in the base, some Tim Hortons wrappers, hashtag Canadian, lots of Tim Hortons stuff back here, Tim Hortons toys. It's not too bad, it's more so here, and then I just want to give like a wipe down and stuff, but yep, we got the garage open, the vacuum out, and yeah, let's get cleaning. My car is like super pushed back right now because I was like vacuuming. Like I can't even touch the pedals right now, it's so far back. But I vacuumed and I missed a little bit of a spot. It's not perfect, but like I wasn't looking for it to be perfect. I just want it to be like, for the most part, clean. Now we are gonna get on to the scrubbing part. If my clock would turn on, I want to know what time it is. Oh my gosh, it's 1:59. There's no way I'm gonna be done in a minute. So, that's okay though. But yeah, I'm going to spot clean and scrub as hard as I can and give this a wipe down. At least it's kind of warm in my car. It's not like super cold out, but I'm glad I'm in my car now and the doors aren't open. So I'm going to do that and maybe put on some music. I don't know. It's getting a little quiet in here. I thought I could get it done in less than 20 minutes, but it looks like I can't. So I'm going to do that right now and then check in with you guys after. So my camera is gonna die soon, so I don't know how much I can film left, but I just called my sister and wished her a happy birthday. Side note, birthday's 2 days before Christmas, and yeah, so I just thought I would show you guys quickly what I'm using. I'm using the Simon Is upholstery and carpet cleaner, and I really like this stuff. I also use it on our mats. But I'm just focused on the seats right now. I don't even care about the mats. I'll do it in the summertime, and I will also worry about all the like nitty-gritty stuff in the summertime. But for now, I just want to like get the spots clean, and this stuff really works. I might have to put a towel down because it's cold, so it's not going to dry as fast. And then this is what I use for the like steering wheel and dashboard and all that stuff, and it's the Multi-Purpose by Armor All, and it smells like oranges, which is really nice. And then I also use this stuff. This stuff works good too. It is the Oxy Power Out carpet cleaner, and it just looks like this. Looks like it got a little bit of rust on it. I wonder what happened, but I also use this stuff as well. And then I just use paper towels, and I also use the scrub brush. I find it works really good, and I just get into the stains, spray it, give it a little scrub, and I don't have to use a wet cloth or anything to, like afterwards, I just let it air dry or whatever. So yeah, that is it for this video. I will hopefully show you guys, I'm going to try to remember, to show you guys like an afterwards, maybe in a couple days once like, everything's dry and all that stuff, and give like an update for you guys. But, yeah, that is everything for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! So I just recorded for like 10 seconds without realizing that it wasn't actually recording, but it is now 5 o'clock, the sun is setting, and I'm running to get groceries and help my mom wrap some last minute presents. But I thought I would just kind of share with you guys the results. It did nothing, so I don't know what's gonna do. It's always worked before. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you. Don't mind my flowers. See? And honestly, like, I want to say all those stains, whoops, oh my gosh, this is not good quality. There we go. I would say, oh, my seatbelts are down. All the stains but one are just water, and it looks so ugly. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna have to figure something out. I mean, at least the juice pouch came out. But the rest just all look ugly, and like I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. I'm in no rush. At least it's vacuumed and cleaned. Yeah. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And